Alright, today we're going to do a review of the Mission First Tactical Classic G27 Tactical Pistol Grip. This is the packaging it comes in. It replaces the standard A2 pistol. Now these things are very uncomfortable. The angle on them and just, holding the weapon over time, it puts a lot of pressure right here. This little knob here creates a lot of pressure on your fingers from the weight of the firearm. I did not like this thing at all, so I went ahead and got a more ergonomic grip. This is, of course, what the grip looks like here. It's much more ergonomic, much more comfortable. As you can see, I've also made a few other modifications. Got a cheap temporary scope that I've got here. A cheap reflex sight angled so I can use the scope, switch to the green dot, also a flashlight, and we do now have laser working. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, there we go. And of course a 2-point sling. Probably can't see it too well there, but also this came with a Generation 2 PMag. I got 2 more of the Gen 3 PMags. Now the only difference I've noticed in these mags is the stippling. Let me get a little closer here. The stippling on the G2 isn't as prominent as it is on the G3. I don't know if you can see it there or not, but a lot more aggressive texturing there. The other difference, the G2s do not come with the impact and dust covers like the G3 does, which is easy to just pop off and easy to replace. This is pretty much just for storage. The G3s, cheapest I've been able to find them, about $15, $17 after tax. The G2s are about $1 less. So it's actually worth it to go with the G3s. One of the things I wanted to point out on the tactical grip, if you run a buffer tube sling mount like I do, is what happens is this piece here ends up causing pressure on the adapter. Now, is what that does is it pushes it out a little bit, causing some tension, and it angles it right here between the castle nut and the receiver, which makes the charging handle inoperable. It bends it up at just enough of an angle to where you can't operate the charging handle. Is what I did is I shaved about a 32nd of an inch off of the sling mount, and it works fine. But that's just one thing to be aware of. The other option for this, of course, is to shave down a little bit on the pistol mount itself. But overall, I do like the new pistol mount, the pistol grip mount. Get up in there. Much better than that cheap A1. This thing is going in the gun drawer and will probably never be used again. Anyways, that's our review for today. Thank you, and please give us a like and subscribe.